Hello, and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob.
Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob, and we have a mail call today. David over at West Highland Shop has sent us a care package of some awesome tools. So without any further ado, let's check out what David sent us. So David sent us a nice note. I'll read it off camera. So the first item, wow, it's Bonney 4081. Just a basic 3/8 breaker bar, chrome vanadium. And then we've got a stud puller, Bonney chrome vanadium. Wow, that's cool. Wow, now we got a big pile. A Bonney 23, RF23. Needs to be cleaned up. Refrigeration wrench. We got a bag of sockets, or a bag of stuff, so let me lay it out and I'll get right back to you. Wow. So, David from West Highland Shop sent us some Bonnies. Right here we've got 4081 breaker bar. And it was attached to this Bonney stud puller, which needs to be adjusted, dealt with. Next, we've got this Bonney 1157 1/4" Econ, the economy Bonney ZT720. Move on over here. So we've got this ALH30 Bonney 15/16. A P usually stands for pneumatic, 3218L, which is long. And this is a 9/16. And then we have an AL16 1/2". We've got these two swivels in 1/2" drive, an AU22 11/16, and an AU18 in 9/16. And these are 12-point. Something I don't have in my collection, and I'm going to have to look this up, is a T2026-1 1" USA Bonney extension. Then, in this small little tiny pile, we have a TW18, which is the little Allen key, 1/8 Allen key. TW7, that's a 7/32 Allen. And then this one is... Can't really... Oh. TW8, which is 1/4 inch. A number 3 Phillips. And that's the... Can't really tell. I'll have to look it up. Kind of got a bent for going around corners, but we can fix that and put it in the collection. Up here in 1/2 inch drive, we've got our A12, which is 3/8, A14, 7/16, another 7/16. That's in an 8-point. This one is 12. That one's 12. We have our A24 3/4. And that's a 12-pointer. Then we have a pneumatic, which is 9/16, which is P3218 6-point. And then another pneumatic, which is 1/2 inch. 3/8 or 3216. And then finally, we've got 2 Bonney ratchets. These are refrigeration ratchets. This is an RF22 and an RF23. Those are going to be cool. And then to go with them is some refrigeration fittings. So we got the 5/16, which is an RF4. We have the 7/32 RF5. And then we have finally an RF7, which is a 3/8. Wow, David, thank you so much. There's a few things that you sent that I don't even have in my collection, so that is really super impressive. So again, thank you so much, and as always, stay safe, and we will check you later.